Hey gang, it's Randy. See, is it recording? I can't see. Yes, okay, sorry about that. Okay, I'm putting you in a homemade camera holder. And this will be the first time I try to record while I'm skiing with this apparatus. So, if the wind is too much, I'll try to edit and just go with music. So, I don't know whether you saw my other video yet, but it is March, the last day of the month. It's Silver Mountain in Kellogg, Idaho. It's a beautiful bluebird day, and there's nobody up here. So on Friday, one of my replacement hips, the left one, which has been giving me trouble since the beginning, everything was a disaster with that one. I think I'm going to have it replaced. I don't want to, but anyway, let's ski a little bit and see how it goes. This will be my first skiing video of the season. Normally I just show you the terrain, and I'm going very slow, you guys. This is my third run. Frankly, I'm being stupid. The doctor said I should be wearing a leg brace for 4 days, and they have me scheduled to see another specialist April 15th. I'm sure they're going to want to replace this malfunctioning hip. It was a bad one from the start. So far, so good. Oh, I gotta admit, I am a little nervous. Sorry about the French, but it hurt like hell, I'll tell you. It took 2 hospitals to put this old Humpty back together again. They gave me something at the first hospital, and when I was coming to, I asked the nurse, I says, "You guys gave me something psychedelic. Is this LSD?" She says, "No, but it is psychedelic." So it was just like having an acid trip. It was wild. Yeah, this will be my third run. I'm pushing it. It's a beautiful day. And it had been almost 10 months since the last time actually, it was 10 months the last time the hip totally dislocated. It's tried a couple times since then, but I could feel it before it went out. I mean, I had 12 beautiful runs Friday. I was done for the day, felt great, sat down in the gondola, went to unbuckle my left boot, and I went, uh-oh. And the darn thing's dislocated, came out of its socket, and I knew I was in trouble then. I stood up, I tried to shake it like I did in the van before. It wouldn't go back into place. Long story short, went to Shoshone Hospital in Kellogg. They put me under. They couldn't They couldn't slip it back in. So I went to Kootenai, and they got it back in, thank goodness. And everybody let my little dog stay with me, so that was cool. So I'm taking it very, very easy. Yeah. Ooh. All right. Thanks. Okay. All right. I don't know how to edit, so let me try to turn this thing off.